name is Venugopal. I'm from Kadapa, which is located in Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in the stream of computer science in the year 2021. Because of restriction period, I didn't get opportunity to get a job. So I was research all the about institutes. I have chosen JSpiders. So in that I have joined JSpiders Hebbal in the month of January. So before joining of JSpiders, I didn't know about any programming. So I didn't have programming skills. So after joining JSpiders, in JSpiders I have taken a Java full-stack course. In that I have learned Core Java, Advanced Java, Web Technologies and Oracle SQL. Core Java was taken by Rahul sir and Advanced Java was taken by Pooja ma'am. And Web Technologies was taken by Salman sir and SQL was taken by Navya ma'am. So they will provide also presentation classes. The presentation classes are very useful to improve your communication skills. And before going interview, they will conduct grooming classes. So these grooming classes are very helpful to boost up your confidence. So thank you so much for HR JSpiders and the faculties and HRs are so supportive. So they added me around 20 requirements. So in that I have placed in a company called Creant Technologies. So in that I got package with 2.4 LPA. So thank you so much for JSpiders Hebbal.